Meaning of interactively.
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 Interactively. The term interactively refers to the process of communication between two or more parties, where each party actively participates and responds to the other's actions or inputs in real time. In the context of technology, interactive systems are designed to facilitate engagement, feedback, and collaboration between users and machines. This means that users can interact with a device or software by providing input, receiving output, and adjusting parameters in response to their perceived needs or preferences. Interactive experiences can take many forms such as virtual reality games, chatbots, voice assistants, and social media platforms.